To obtain good laser welding effect of aluminum alloy, the following points should be noted. The first point, select the appropriate laser and welding parameters. Choose appropriately according to the type and thickness of the aluminum alloy. The second point is to ensure good beam quality. To choose the right spot size, ensure the spot is uniform and round, no halo and diffracted light. The third point, select the appropriate shielding gas. Generally choose argon or helium. Shielding gas can protect the welding pool from oxidation and take away part of the smoke. Let's take a look at the aluminum alloy laser welding effect. We have rich experience in laser sealing welding of different materials and structures. For more information about laser welding, please contact Jimmy Laser.